Hello students, welcome to Study Life. Students, here we are talking about compound containing oxygen, and under that we are going to talk about alcohol. Students, here we will find out the formula to calculate the total number of isomeric alcohols and ethers, okay, from what a given molecular formula. So students, here what we are going to do is, see the formula to calculate. Here we are going to talk about formula to calculate. Yes, we are talking about formula to calculate the total number of what? Okay, formula to calculate the total number of isomeric alcohols. Isomeric. Yes, formula to calculate the total number of what? Isomeric alcohols and what you say? And ethers. Yes, students, it is going to be like this. Here we are saying formula to calculate the total number of isomeric alcohols and you say and what, students? And ethers. Yes, formula to calculate the total number of isomeric alcohol and ether is going to be what, students? You say I is going to be 2 raised to n minus 1 everything minus 1. Okay students, here we will be calculating everything, total number of isomeric alcohols and ether. In our last point what we did? We just did with what? Formula to calculate total number of isomeric alcohols. Okay, formula to calculate total number of isomeric alcohol and ether is going to be this one. And then they say formula to calculate, yes, formula to what? To calculate the number of what? Number of isomeric alcohol. Isomeric alcohol is going to be what? Isomeric alcohol. I is going to be what? It is going to be 2 raised to n minus 2. Yes, it is going to be like this. Yes, students, this was the formula. So, students, if I just want to say here there is C3 and H is going to be what? It is going to be 8 and then there is going to be O. So, total number of isomeric alcohol and ether is going to be what? It will be what? 2 raised to 3 minus 1, everything minus 1. So, here it is going to be 2 raised to 2. Okay, minus 1. It is going to be what? 4 minus 1. That is going to be 3, students. It is going to be 3. See what are the various now? What are going to be the various? See, it is going to be N-propyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, and then it is going to be ethyl methyl ether. Okay, students, so 3 isomers are possible. But if you simply want to talk about what? Only alcohol part. If you just want to talk only about alcohol part, so it is 2 raised to 3 minus 2. So it is going to be 2 raised to 1. That is going to be 2. 2 alcohols are possible. N-propyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, and 1 ether is possible. That is going to be ethyl methyl ether. Yes, students, so this is how we are calculating. Suppose, students, you want to find out for C4. If it is C4, here it is going to be what? H is going to be 10 and here it is going to be O. So, students, I is going to be what? It is going to be 2 raised to n minus 1, everything minus 1. So, it is 2 raised to 4 minus 1 minus 1. So, it is going to be 2 raised to 3 minus 1. So, it is going to be 8 minus 1. That is going to be total is going to be what, students? It is going to be 7. See, if you simply want to calculate the alcohol for this one, so you simply want to calculate the alcohol. Yes, students, if you simply want to calculate about alcohol, you will say it is going to be, yes, it is going to be 2 raised to n minus 2. That is 2 raised to 4 minus 2. That is 2 raised to 2. Yes, here you are going to write it as what? 4. Yes, students, 4 alcohol, N-butyl, isobutyl, secondary butyl and tertiary butyl. And 3 will be what? It will be ether. 3 is going to be, see, 7 minus 4 is going to be 3. 3 is going to be ether. 3 minus 2 is going to be 1 is going to be ether over here, students. So students, here what I am giving you all is, I am giving you all the formula to calculate the total number of isomeric alcohols and ether, and formula to calculate total number of isomeric alcohols. So when you subtract alcohol from here, you will be getting what? Isomeric ether. Okay, so students, hope you have understood with this particular part. Here we have learned a short trick, okay, to calculate what? Total number of isomeric alcohols and ether, and then only for what? Total number of what? Isomeric C alcohol, students. Okay, hope students it is like understood. Everybody has got this particular short trick over here. Formula to calculate total number of isomeric alcohol and ether, and here it is only isomeric alcohol. When you subtract alcohol from alcohol and ether, you will get that number of what? It is going to be, see, 1 ether over here, and here it is going to be how many ether? It is going to be 3 ether. Yes, students, hope you have understood with this particular part. Thank you for watching Study Live.